background color to the headings so they stand out clearly from the data. Next, select the entire table and apply borders. Right-click, choose Format Cells, go to the Border tab, select a color, and apply an outline. Borders make the table easier to read and visually structured. Also apply middle alignment to the text in the table so everything looks balanced and organized. Here also adjust the row's height to fit the table and screen. Now we move to the second step, which is inserting icons to visually track attendance. Select the cells under the day columns. Then go to Conditional Formatting, choose Icon Sets, and click More Rules. A dialog box will appear. Change the icon style. Then change the type to number. Set the value 1 for the first criteria, and check the option Show Icons Only. What this does is very useful. Instead of showing numbers, Excel will display icons to represent attendance status. Now let's test it. Type 1 in a cell, and Excel will show a check mark, indicating the person was present. Type 0, and it will show a cross mark, meaning the person was to attend. This visual system makes it very easy to monitor attendance quickly. In the Days Present column, we will use the COUNTIF function. Start the formula by typing =, then type COUNTIF and open parentheses. Now select the range of cells that contain the attendance indicators for that person. These are the cells where you entered zeros and ones. Next, type a comma and enter 1 as the criteria. This tells Excel to count how many cells contain the value 1, which represents present days. Close the parentheses. Since there are 5 days in total, divide the result by 5. This converts the count into a percentage of attendance. Press Enter. This formula counts present days and converts them into an attendance percentage, which is extremely helpful for monitoring attendance records. Next, calculate days to attend. This is very simple. Type =, then type 1 minus the attendance completion value. This means if 60% attendance is completed, Excel will automatically show 40% absence. Now convert both values into percentage format. Then drag the formula down so it applies to all names. This saves time because you don't have to write the formula repeatedly. Finally, we come to the most interactive part of this tracker, visual progress bars. First, select the Days to Attend column. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars, and choose More Rules. Change the type to Formula. Set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 1. This ensures the data bars represent percentages accurately. Change the bar color to orange and set the direction from right to left. This visually shows the remaining attendance, decreasing as presence increases. Click OK. Now format the value by aligning it to the left, making it bold, and changing the font color to orange. Next, repeat the process for the Days Present column. Go to Conditional Formatting, select Data Bars, and again choose More Rules. Set the minimum value to 0 and maximum value to 1. Change the data bar color to blue. The direction should remain left to right, which represents attendance progress moving forward. Click OK, then format the value by aligning it left, making the font bold, changing the font color to white, and slightly increasing the font size. And that's it. Your attendance tracker is now ready. Now watch the magic happen. As soon as you enter 1 or 0 in the day columns, Excel automatically updates the attendance percentages and progress bars. You can instantly see who has high attendance and who needs attention. This simple sheet turns Excel into a powerful attendance monitoring tool. Instead of manually checking every record, you get a clear visual overview of attendance. You can also expand this tracker further by adding more days, monthly summaries, or automated reports. The key takeaway is this. Smart Excel tools eliminate manual work and make data tracking faster and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with others who want to improve their Excel skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.